Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing well this morning. What I wanted to show you was I wanted to mic out this pick right here, man. This thing is just awesomely awesome. Wait till you guys see that next pick I got coming up. I got it out drying right now in the drying shed. Let's mic this baby out. We have, I'm going to say we have a static 23 thousandths. You know, deep, thickness of the steel there. It's just awesome. I haven't had a chance to use that pick yet. Also, I had the impression a key for this here Ilco. This is a 7-pin Ilco mortise core, smooth as a baby's bottom, brand new, but it didn't have a key. And this is what I use to see the very, very small little bumps on the key. When you go to impression a key, you know, you wiggle it back and forth, and as you can see, I am not a professional. You can see there where I had to grind the key away because they don't make a 7-pin key blank for Ilco, or at least I couldn't find one. So what I did was I would put this here baby on there. Let me see if I can get you guys to look in there and see. You see how fine? You can actually see the little bitty bumps on the key, and you can see the little bitty scrapes on the key. And that's how I knew how, or exactly where to take my little bitty Swiss fine file, and just little bitty pieces at a time, just, you know. And about 2 weeks later, I have a key that fits the Ilco like $1 million. It works beautifully, man. But yeah, I mean, it was a lot of fun. And I am not a professional, but it does work. And the thing is this sucker is mean. I mean, it is one mean lock with 7 pins. I haven't even had a chance to pick it yet. But yeah, man, you guys are hearing it right. 7 pins. Wow. And my little lock picks. This right here would turned out really nice. See how shiny and beautiful this baby is, man? It's awesome, bro. It is awesome. Anyway, I wish you guys safe times in this weird time that we're living in. I'm not sure if I like impressioning or not. I know it's a nightmare, I can tell you that. And it takes a long time for me to impression a key. Especially with bidding like that, man. That was some hellacious bidding to, because you're halfway guessing. And you got your little spy thing here. You're trying to see exactly where the little bitty bump is. You know, a little scratch that comes off the pins. And it's just a nightmare. But there it is, my impression key of a 7-pin Ilco. And it actually says, let me see here if I can get the focus. It actually says made in the USA, .156 Ilco. Pretty cool, huh? I found that just dumpster diving here about 2 or 3 months ago, and I don't know if y'all can see the pins. Man, there's pins that go way back in there, brother. them pins way back there. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching, and take care of yourself. Be safe. Talk to you all later.